This video will show you how to use your Voya E Plus with essential steps you need to check before your first ride. Step 1. Charge your Voya E Plus. Before your first ride, make sure the battery is fully charged. Find the integrated charge port on the bottom bracket. Pull and rotate the charge port cover clockwise to open it. Connect the charger to the charge port on the bike. It takes around 3 hours to fully charge your bike. If you're not going to ride for a few weeks, use the long-term storage mode to store your battery at 60% power, which helps extend the battery life. To use this function, just press the LED 2 button and it will activate long-term storage mode. Step 2. Turn on the controller. Press the power button on the top tube controller to turn it on. Your Ride Control Go controller is easy to use. There are 2 indicator lines. The one on the right is for the battery, and the left one is current ride mode. Voya E Plus has 3 ride modes to choose from, plus auto mode so you don't have to choose. The system will always be in auto mode whenever you restart the bike. You may easily switch ride modes between active, power, off, and eco in series by a single press of the power button. A double press will switch into the auto mode. To turn the system off, just simply press the button for 3 seconds. Step 3. Connect the app. Create an account and connect your bike via the Ride Control app. It will guide you through the steps and your bike and phone will connect automatically. You can use the app to check on your battery and record your rides. Step 4. Get ready to ride. Check the saddle is the right height for you. Slide the seat post so that it's in line with your hips. Make sure the saddle is facing forward, in line with the top bar. Tighten the bolt to secure it in place. Check and pump your tires to the suggested pressure on the tire side wall. Now you're ready to ride. Squeeze your brakes to test them. Make sure the lever feels springy with an adequate stroke. Not too soft to touch the handlebar or too tight to hold the rim within a small stroke range. If you have any issues, please contact your nearest Momentum store for assistance. Step 5. Optimize your range. Before you go, check out these handy tips to get even more ride range from your bike. Choose the support mode that suits your terrain. The lower the support mode, the further your range. Plus, shifting according to the speed. Always pedal easily and release pedal pressure when shifting gears can get the smooth support and optimum range. Treat the battery well to extend its life and range performance. Charge it regularly. Avoid charging in extremely cold or hot environments. And don't drain it completely. For more help, please check our e-bike owner's manual supplement for battery charging and handling. It's time to go your way. There you go. Enjoy your ride.